Hello, I'm Neil from Robotics Competition News, and I'm here with Team 1311, Cal Robotics, and I'm here with
Danielle.
Joel. Aiden.
and we're going to talk about their design process and their water-jetted robot. So when I was on a team, it just happened that our entire robot was actually water-jet by Cal Robotics, which is a service they provided to all Georgia First teams. So would you mind talking about how you ended up with this partnership and how you do outreach like this?
Okay, so we originally partnered with Kennesaw State University to begin with, and we worked with them to find the funding for the water jet. And so what ended up happening was we worked with Novellus as well, and so this year Novellus donated 13 tons of aluminum, which is stored at our Cal Robotics Innovation Center, and that aluminum gets transferred to KSU. So all the teams in Georgia have access; they can send in their parts. The Kennesaw State University has students now working at the manufacturing center to cut their parts, and then we use the brake and any other welding they need to create their robot, and those parts get sent out.
Wow, that's really great that you offered this service to so many teams. But there's something like 60 teams in Georgia that you're offering this to free of charge. So the next thing that I was wondering is how does having access to a water jet almost like on a daily basis affect your design and prototyping process?
Yeah, so with this water jet, we can get a lot of rapid design processes implemented, and then we can get our prototypes like in a few days, so we can keep testing them. And usually we split our team up into groups for different parts based on what they're interested in. We get like some of the older kids and then some of the younger kids as well, so we can teach them how to do it and work up with them. And then we just make sure we get everybody's ideas involved, and then we keep changing the panels and stuff based on those inputs. So due to the water jet, that makes that possible.
So it's really great that you guys are implementing the water jetted parts all across your robot. So as people can see, there's like your entire robot is basically water jetted. What do you do in the case that, so do you try and adapt your process to use water jetted parts just because you have readily access to this system?
Well, since we were able to have such a stockpile of aluminum from Novellus, and which is spread across all of the Georgia First teams, we can actually design it from a stand that we already know that we're going to be able to use water jet. And the advantages of water jet are, unlike say you use plexiglass or for some side panels, it's super modular, and that's a huge problem with like say teams that, okay, you do one match, I don't know, someone hits you really hard, your whole side's gone, right? But with water jet, you have the strength and the weight that you can basically, you have the advantages of both strength and weight. So, it definitely beats whatever plexiglass, because the problem with plexiglass also is once it's done, it's done. When you water jet it, you can make as many countless parts as you want without worrying to make small errors and the whole piece is ruined.
That's so great for you guys. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.